welcome back to W Social International. I'm Alicia and today we are going to talk about the Internet of Things or IoT. So IoT refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Thanks to the arrival of super cheap computer chips and the uniquity of wireless network, it's possible to turn anything from something as small as a pill to something as big as an airplane into a part of IoT. Connecting up all these devices and different objects and adding sensors to them adds a level of digital intelligence to the devices that would be otherwise dumb, enabling them to communicate real-time data without involving a human being is something called IoT. The Internet of Things is making the fabric of the world around us more smarter and more responsive, merging the digital and physical universe. So, you might be thinking, how does IoT work? An IoT ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processors, sensors, and communications hardware to collect and send or act on a data and they acquire from their environment. IoT devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway or other edge devices where data is either sent to the cloud or to the analyzed locally. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although the people can interact with the device, for instance, to set them up, give them instructions, or access the data. When something is connected to the internet, that means that it can send information or receive information or both. So this ability to send or receive any information makes things smart, and smarter is obviously better. Let's use smartphones example. You can listen to any song in the world, but not because your phone has every song stored on it. It's because every song in the world is stored somewhere else like YouTube, Spotify. That place is known as the cloud, and your phone can request a song and receive information to stream it. To be smart, a thing doesn't need to have a super storage or a super computer inside of it. All of the thing has to do is connect to a super storage or to a super computer. Being connected is awesome. In the Internet of Things, all the things can be put into three categories: sensors that collect information and then send it, computers that receive information and then act on it, things that do both. So smart devices connect to an IoT platform described by the expert as IoT for all, as the super support software that connect everything is an IoT system. There are hundreds of IoT platforms and are made by such industry giants as Oracle and IBM. So what are the IoT applications? Businesses ready SaaS IoT applications, IoT intelligent application are pre-built software, a SaaS service application that can analyze and present captured IoT sensors data to business users via dashboards. We have a full set of IoT intelligent applications. IoT applications use machine learning algorithms to analyze massive amount of connected sensors data in the cloud. Using real-time IoT dashboards and alerts, you gain visibility into key performance indicators, statistics for mean time between failures and other information. So machine learning based algorithms can identify equipment and normalize and send alert to users and even trigger automated fixes on protective countermeasure. With cloud-based IoT application, business users can quickly enhance existing processes for supply chains, customer services, human resources, and financial services. There's no need to recreate entire business process. So all-rounder IoT is happening and IoT is the future. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also download our app from the Play Store known as W Social. I am Alicia and thank you for watching.